What a fucking day. Okay, so what is bugging me today is what I would like to figure out is the moron, the idiot, the jerkmeister who invented the sound or used the sound of a horn to indicate somebody is locking or unlocking their car. Every time somebody locks or unlocks their car, a friggin' horn goes off. I jump every time I hear somebody lock or unlock their car. Now figure that out. Alright? Of all the sounds in the world, of every sound, millions and millions and millions of sounds, this guy's gotta make it a car horn. Why? Car horns are supposed to indicate either danger or something to do with a warning. So every time somebody opens their door, I gotta jump. Because I think a car's either gonna hit me or I'm gonna hit it. Or something like that. Change the damn sound. Make it a nice sound. Make it musical. Not the sound of a friggin' horn. You idiots out there. You morons. Can't take it anymore.